Hello, everyone. We'll be starting the session very shortly. Good evening, everyone. Today we have the humble presence of Priyanshu Kumar Singh Bhaiya, the former secretary of Enigma VSS UT with us. Welcome to the live session, Bhaiya.
Thank you, Tanushia. It's okay. We can carry on with the session. No need for introduction. Thank you so much.
We also have the humble presence of Shubham Bhaiya, Club Alumni of Enigma VSS UT with us. So, welcome to the live session, Shubham Bhaiya.
Yeah, hi. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much.
So
And
I couldn't say anything, any speech or anything. So could you please remedy that?
sorry.
I couldn't say anything, man. Any speech or anything. तो please उसको थोड़ा कुछ बोल दो यार. थोड़ा मुझे.
Let's do that after the session. No? Let's
Okay,
do
okay.
that at the end.
Sure, sure.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the info session of Level Up DSA. This is Tanushree Amhava, and I'm a pre-final year student from Information Technology Department. Today, I am here to introduce you all to the Level Up DSA Bootcamp. Uh, so let's dive into the session to explore more about what Level Up DSA is. So Level Up DSA basically is a boot camp which will continue for 30 days, and this will bring you with an amazing opportunity which will help you to build your foundation and will strengthen your coding skills, which will furthermore help you in your coding journey ahead. Now, you might be wondering what exactly a DSA is. So, before getting to know what DSA is, let me first give you a brief intro to the real time application of DSA or data structures and algorithms. So, we all have used social media surely for once in our life. And let me tell you guys, there are insanely huge number of applications of data structures and algorithms which are shaping our future. So one of the example is a Facebook Graph API. In the Facebook Graph API, like whenever we open the Facebook app, the UI which we face, in that we see like many comments, posts, stories, videos, and all. So all these things are nodes and vertex, and every connection between the nodes is an edge. So by connection, I mean like a user posting photo or updating their profile, and maybe sending a friend request to anyone. So you might be a bit puzzled hearing this, like how come DSS is stepping into Facebook Graph API? So there is nothing to worry about it, as we all are here to acknowledge all your doubts, and I'll be here to give you a clear and precise picture of what this boot camp aims to do. So now let's gulp into what data structures and algorithms are. Now, as the name suggests, data structure is something related to storage, right? So, data structure is a storage that is used to store data, which can be used efficiently and updated efficiently. And depending upon your requirement of the project, it could be anything. Uh, like it could be array, linked list, stack, queue, and there are many. Coming to the second part, that is algorithms. So it is a set of program or instructions which is used to solve a task or accomplish a task. So the basic idea every time will be you will be given with a problem and you have to come up with an optimum approach to solve that problem. By optimum approach, I mean your solution should either consume minimum space or minimum time. Okay, so now you guys have a distinct idea about what DSA is. But unless you know the importance of TSA, you won't have the striking interest to learn so. So why DSA is so important in your coding journey? Firstly, DSA will be very helpful for competitive programming, because this will build a foundation and will refine your competitive programming skills. And secondly, uh, we all know what the greatest MNCs in the world are, the man, right, guys? And we all have the dream to crack this man companies. These companies, they require deep and elaborate knowledge of what DSA is. So once you get a hand-on practice on what DSA is, you will be very crystal clear with every DSA concepts. Now coming to the important session of this info session, I'll be discussing the roadmap of the boot camp, which will be continued throughout the month. So, firstly, there will be a mentor-mentee group in which all your doubts will be solved, all your queries will be acknowledged, and you will be guided throughout the boot camp. Secondly, you will be provided with detailed and engaging resources, and those resources will include a number of video lectures and also some blogs or articles which will foster your understanding on the same. Next, you will be provided with curated topic wise questions every day. And also, at the end of the week, your skills will be at test through an exciting contest. And we are also having a post contest discussion so that during the contest, if you are facing any kind of difficulties while solving the problems, then there is nothing to worry because we are having post contest discussion at the end of the week. And at the last, at the end of the boot camp, you will be provided with certificates. And here we come gobbling to the cherry on the cake, that is those who are the top rankers in the leaderboard and those who are consistent throughout the boot camp, they will be awarded with exciting goodies. So now you guys are well aware like this level of DSA boot camp aims to do and how DSA would be leveling up your coding skills. But let me tell you one important key, that is consistency and practice is the ultimate key to lock your DSA mastery. So you all are expected, those who have registered, you all are expected to attend this boot camp very enthusiastically and practice all the given problems daily and very consistently without any cheating. So thank you and have fun learning coding. So if you guys have any queries regarding the level of DSA or the roadmap uh, or anything related to this, so kindly shoot your all your queries to the chat box and all your queries will be immediately addressed. Now, um, now I would like to address our seniors to um, I would like to address our seniors to attend the meeting. I would like to request our esteemed seniors, Priyanshu Bhaiya and Shubham Bhaiya, to speak a few words.
Okay, let's start with Priyanshu Bhaiya.
Man, I start with Shubham Bhaiya. Shubham, you first, bhai, please.
Arey. Okay. So, a very good evening to one and all who is listening to this info session. Many welcome to all those who are really interested in learning data structures and algorithms. And dear juniors, you guys did a amazing job, a phenomenal job at explaining why it is important. Okay, let's try to break down certain parts of it. Okay, I just wanted to give you some more insight. Okay, so I've graduated a few months back, so I'm now in the industry, looking at things and working for the companies. And I can surely assure you that what DSA can give you. Okay, so the knowledge of data structures and algorithms would definitely provide you an insight into what kind of problems that you'll be solving in the real world. Okay, think of the millions of applications, like one of the applications that Tanushya gave. But there are many more, right? Think of all the mobile networks that that connects everyone together. Okay, think of how Geo and Airtel and Vodafone Idea, these people are connecting people across. So what kind of a how do you think these networks would work? They need to create some kind of a data structure, right? They need to structure data in a certain way so that we can use this data efficiently, whether to add it, whether to remove it, whether to make a connection, whether to disconnect a connection. Okay, so this is where data structure comes into play. You just store, you just place your data in such a way that it promotes certain kind of actions. And this will be very much essential when you are out there doing your regular job every single day. I won't say that you'll be using these data structures every day. You won't be coding these data structures every day, because these have been coded, because these have been already made. But understanding the core functionalities behind these data structures is really important, because current day features, current day technologies are built on top of these structures. So it is highly essential that if you are aiming for a job in the corporate, which takes help of these kind of networks, say you are working for a social media company or a networking company or any company that you might think of. Say you are designing a file system. Okay, you'll need a very intricate knowledge of tree data structure, because that is how file systems are designed. So so it is data structures and algorithms. So this is the data structure part of DSA. There is also algorithm. So algorithm deals with the the ways in which we are retrieving the data, we are storing the data. Okay, so these are the methods that we use on top of these data structures that make things efficient, right? And it is, I think this is one of the fundamental ways in which you can enhance your thinking skills, enhance your problem solving skills. And it would always add something to your current stack of values that you already have. You could be very good at speaking, you could be very good dancer. Being a very good problem solver could be one of the things, and learning about DSA and problem solving will help you achieve that. So I think great going, guys. So I think the juniors have done a phenomenal job at coming up with this idea and continuing it for the better part. One more thing that I really like about one of these sessions is that is the format in which it happens, right? The mentor-mentee part of the program. where I think you get a lot of exposure to talk to your immediate seniors, talk to their seniors for whatever, you know, problems that you might be facing in the current directory, you know, in which you are trying to excel. So I think this is a very great format of doing things, and I think it has worked for us before, and it will work for it. You know, it will work now as well. So I'm really happy to kick this thing off. I'm really happy that so many people are interested in the data structures and algorithms and learning about them. So I wish everyone best of luck who are learning it, who will be teaching them, and the mentor-mentee group to have a, you know, very collaborative community. And I hope that this grows to something very substantial in the future. That's all. PK, if you want to add something, bhai.
Sure, sure. Hello, everyone, and thank you, Shivam. That was a nice decision of mine to let you go first. So, first of all, I'll be completely practical with you guys. Okay, 4 saal, I've spent my 4 years in my college. I never truly worked on DSA. Okay, I've been after projects and everything, being after club and events, and it got me a great job. Yeah, college ended. Now I'm practicing DSA. So, so first thing, DSA is something that you need to learn. Okay, there is no alternative for that or anything. You have to do it every day. You have to sit your ass down and learn it. There is no other alternative of that. Okay, and everyone knows everything is out there on the internet, and you know what I mean. You know where to go, what to do. Everyone knows that, right? But still, we have only 10%, 20% of complete population who are actually practicing the problems. But when you say practicing the problem, that's practicing a problem, that's a phase. First, you have to learn it. You have to know all the concepts, all the data structures. And most of the people are not able to pass that phase itself. So DSA is actually focusing on that phase. You have to at least get it started. Level it up. What can I say? That's inside the name. That was our first goal, our complete motto behind that. Okay. So just to start, when you start it, everything is, all it takes is a little push. So when it's started, then you can continue it. Okay. So that's it. Or lage raho, and you have to, contribute to the community, be inside events, don't sit inside your room. If you are inside the events, then only you will learn. So participate in it and be in it 100, give it your 100%. Okay. You will learn something from it if you really invest yourself. एंड हमेशा बोलता हूँ ये चीज, बहुत बार बोला है, अकेले चलोगे तेज चलोगे, साथ चलोगे दूर तक चलोगे, तो साथ में रहो और एक साथ ग्रो करो. That's all. Thank you and great job, juniors.
Okay, one more thing to add, जैसे भैया ने बोला ना कि मतलब फायदा उठाओ इस चीज का. मतलब ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म ना शायद ही, मतलब जब मिला है, इट्स नॉट लाइक शायद मिला होगा या नहीं, लाइक जब मिल गया है ना प्लेटफॉर्म, तो फायदा उठाओ इस चीज का. अपने सीनियर्स से ना रिसोर्सेज चूज लो. ठीक है, देयर इज नो अदर वे. तुम्हें कोई फ्री में ज्ञान नहीं बांट रहा. ओके, यूट्यूब में जाके ना यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम. यहाँ पे एक पर्टिकुलर बंदा बैठा है तुम्हें सिखाने के लिए, तो सीखो, इज व्हाट आई वांट टू से.
करेक्टिंग दैट, हम यहाँ सिखा नहीं रहे डीएसए, हम तुमको बता रहे कि सीखना कैसे है डीएसए. Getting started.
हाँ, exactly. At the end of the session now, let me tell you what expectations should you have. इसकी तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कि तुम्हें सीखना कैसे है. जैसे भैया बोले अभी, प्रियांशु भैया ने जैसे कहा, you learn how to learn DSA. Okay, boys, girls, back to you.
Any queries from the viewers are highly appreciated.
We'll be dropping off then, Tanuj भैया. शुभम चलेगा कुछ और? Okay, let me
Let's
ask it politely. Can we leave the meeting?
नहीं, let's wait for some more time. Let's see if अगर कोई doubts हैं तो
अच्छा ठीक
we can take a leave.
Okay. I'll be watching comment sections, people. Okay, shoot your doubts or whatever you have.
Yeah, we are there.
Related to DSA.
हाँ.
कोई आंसर करो यार. What topics we'll be covering in boot camp?
Thank you, Shubham Bhaiya and Priyanshu Bhaiya, for your inspiring words. It's all a result of your dedication that made us work even more, and we are really grateful for all your contributions. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Guys, you will be getting the syllabus and the roadmap in your respective groups, so don't worry for that. So thank you everyone for your gracious presence, and we will meet you next time in our upcoming sessions. Thank you.